How to upscale image on Runway. So for this one, let's head over and scroll on right here on our tools and click on this all tools. Now scroll on until you can see the option called upscale image. So from in there, click on this upscale image. And then from in here, just upload the file that you want to use. So for example, let's head over and use this one. So let's head over and then just wait for this picture to actually upload onto our Runway. So we can see in here our image. So you can head over and then just click on this in order to use it 2K or 4K of this. So just choose which one and then click on this process right here. But take note that the upscaling for image is actually only available for the plan or for the paid plan, just like this one's right here. So once you have successfully upgraded, you should be able to upscale this particular image into 4K or 2K. So that's how you upscale image on Runway. Hope we helped.